Right then. So, we are reverse engineering TRAXX. We are trying to finish off GaryMeg's attempt to reverse engineer TRAXX. But he's been doing it for the past year, and so we're going to take over. Now, what I have noticed when I was looking through the code earlier on is there are some addressing issues. So what I'm going to do is we're going to try and go through and find all the addressing issues, try and resolve them. The sound issues, we've got a problem with the sound issues, and hopefully by the time we've sorted out all the addressing issues, hopefully we'll have a game that's sort of working. So, and what I mean by addressing issues is there are places where we are addressing memory space in, hang on, no, that can wait. So this wasn't you that started the reverse engineering. No, I did reverse engineer TRAXX, but we didn't understand it. I just did the we did the disassembly, that's it. We did the disassembly and we got it running, right? So here is the disassembly and we got it running, yeah? So we got the disassembly working and it worked. So that was my contribution to GaryMeg's project, yeah? But he's had it for a year and he's done a fair bit of work, but there are things that we need to sort out, like the screen has a problem, and so we've got some, we've got some memory address issues that we need to rectify. So we're going to run through and try and identify some of these memory issues, yeah? Try and see if we can see them, yeah? And then we're going to go through bit by bit to try and understand which bit and slowly, hopefully slowly work his way through the code. So I got these eyeballs burning the back of my head. I don't want to look. And lots of strange code, yes, and lots of strange code. And I've identified there's some code in there that doesn't get run again. So what, mate? What? What? There you go. Look, there's nothing in my hand. Nothing in my hand. More duck. Yeah, I wish he's had them. No. Mate. What? Look. The guys have bought you some treat.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
SP. You're spoiling rotten. Alright, SP. Smelly or non-smelly? I bet it's going to be smelly, isn't it? Smelly or non-smelly? I bet it's going to say smelly. Here.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much.
Who's doing
you guys really spoil me.
Make it a double. Oh my god. Oh dear. Oh. Oh, they stink. How does he like them? I have no idea. How does he like them? Right. So, I've noticed that Gary's been splitting off the The stinkier the better. Yeah. Right, I've noticed Gary's been
oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Well, when he's finished that one and the one that's done up. Dog equivalent of Stilton. Really? Alright then. Come here, mate. You got another one. Watch me. No, that's my finger. There you go. Thinks my finger's... Oh, yes. That. Yeah. Right. Oi! Don't eat it behind me. Eat in your bed. Right. So GaryMeg's created some of these memory blocks. So he's looked in the original code. So if we look for 2300 in the original code, right? Oh no, no, keep them, keep them, mate. Right. So he's identified. Look, there's a memory block there at 2300. There's a memory block at 2270. So what he's done, he's created another file called game data where he's replicated that memory block. You know, so there's the 2300. There's the 2297. So we need to work through all these memory blocks. Yeah. Now I have noticed that some have been missed. Oh dear. You've got some stacked up, mate. I'm telling you. You got some stacked up. Your adoring public. I wish I had this adoring public, I tell you. Oh, no. I'll be glad when these are gone. I'll be glad when these are gone. Stink the room out. There you go. Oh my god. There you go. Behind you.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Right. Oh, what is going on? This is work, I tell you. Yeah, they can wait. So we've got these memory blocks. So we need to identify all the memory blocks. Now I know there has been some that have been missed. They want Aston biscuits. Yeah. I know you can smell them, mate, can't you? There you go, there's another one. And after that, there's another one there. Aston eats everything. He doesn't eat everything, that's the problem. He's very picky sometimes. Very picky. Nico, he would bite your hand off. Right then, so let's get some serious work done. Right, so I've got to find these memory blocks. Now, I know there were some memory blocks elsewhere that we needed to sort out. See, I think...
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much.
Oh,
you guys really spoil me.
What's going on? Alright, I'll get them... the trains. The trains arrived. You guys are bonkers. Bonkers. Right, so we do have a data block here.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber.
What?
Stay a while. Stay forever.
What?
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Docster. It was
Hi, John
FaiRLane.
here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Hey, FaZe has got a sub. No more adverts for FaZe.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever. Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever. Hi, John here. Another subscriber.
Hey, there's
Stay a
FaZe.
while. Stay forever.
Yes, that is true.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
He's crashed. He's crashed through the 400 mark. Absolutely crashed through the 400 mark.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Oh my God, more
Stay
bits? Forever.
Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Oh, FaiRLane.
Hi, John here. Another
Are we still going through the
subscriber.
subscriptions?
Stay a while. Stay forever.
Hello, Scary. Welcome.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Oh, dear. Still doing the sub. Is that the last sub? Docster. Thank you.
Oh my God, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Here, buddy. There you go. Don't mind you. It's there, mate. It's there. Sniff. Use your nose. Use your nose. You'll find it. There we go. Right. Thank you very much for the 10 gift subs, mate. Thank you. Right. Let's see if we can get on with this. So, memory blocks. Memory blocks. So we're looking for something suspicious around the 2000 mark. That's what we're looking for. So, like here. Yeah. There we go. It's like that. So that's going to be this memory block up here. That. So we need to find all these memory blocks that are being addressed.
Oh my God, more bits? Thank you very much.
Doctor?
You guys really spoil me.
What's going on? I'm broke. All my food money went to John. Nice. Nice. At least he's eating it. When will spaghetti code be added? We don't write spaghetti code. Right, see, there's another one here, look. So, let's get the game data up. Here we go. Have we got the game data for 27B.7? I don't remember it. 2300. No. Right, so where's 27B7? Right. Let's go back to the original code. 27B7. 27B7. You might not be able to see that. Hang on. Oh, I know why you can't see it. I need to add editor. Editor dot font size. That's the one. Oh, why are you not working? Editor. Oh, it would help if I could spell it right. Editor dot font size. There we go. That's better. Right. So we are looking for two. Oh, hang on. Can you lend some bits until Friday? Yeah. Hey, Stuart. Hello. Yes, I am on Wednesdays, mate. Yes, we are writing a tank game in BASIC and then converting it to assembly. While we're on that, squirrel moment. Someone has been messing around with sprites again. Here we go. We have some more sprites. Alright. Look at this little lot. Look. Look at this. So we've got tanks turning their turrets now. So they're the 4. We've got 2 turrets for us. Yeah. And we've got some, but I think these are the shells. And then we've got 2 different types of explosions. What's up, mate? Have you eaten them all? There you go. There you go. So yes, we've got dirt coming off. So we're gonna have to rebuild the sprites in the basic program to incorporate the dirt for the running ones. Yeah. So yeah. So we are.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Oh, not anonymous gifter again. So yes, Stuart. We started last week. Yeah, we started last week, and we're doing it in CBM. We're doing it in CBM Prog Studio, the basic game, and then we'll move over to Kick when we come to the assembly conversion. But yes, the other projects are finished. No. Hunchback's having a hiatus. I want to go back to Myriad, yeah? I want to go back to Myriad so we can finish off the BBC version. That's only because of Fizgog doing the was it Laser Zone conversion? Yeah. So yeah. So I want to go back to that and finish that one off. I have heard on the grapevine there may be another game jam. I've heard on the grapevine there may be another game jam, so we might do that one as well. Right, okay. Slight squirrel moment. Let's get back to this. Slight squirrel moment. Right. So where are we? Oh, we're in the original. We're after what are we after? 27B7. 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 Oh, here we go. Oh, so it's here. You also heard that tanks is being done elsewhere too. Yes, I've heard on the grapevine that, yeah. Right, 27B7, so that's got to be in here. So if that's 27C0, BF, BE, BC.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Who's this anonymous gift subber? Whoever it is, thank you very much. They are all appreciated. They are all appreciated. Right. Let me go into the byte data. So 27B7. Two, three, four, five, six, 7. Yeah, secret admirer. Oh, what's phase on? They found your key. Well, whose key? My key? Oh. Oh, you mean on Gary's stream? Yeah. Yeah. Right. 27B7. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's on the 95 E4 B6 line. 95 E4 B6 line. It's that one. 95 F4 B5. Oh, John. 95 F4 56. That's there. That is there. Right. So we're gonna do the same thing. Gonna do the same thing. Ooh, wrong one. Wrong one. Wrong one. I want to be in that one. Ha!
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Oh, thank you very much, Rostrini. Thank you for the biscuits for Aston. He'll get them in a minute. Oh, what's the matter? Are you wanting to go out again? Well, you've had all those biscuits, no wonder. Hey? You want to go out again? Alright, guys. Let me just take him out. I'll start Codebreaker, and you guys can knock yourself out, yeah? Too much fish, yeah. There you go. Knock yourselves out. I'll be back in a minute. Come on, then. Right, 27B7. Let's get this in there. So, memory block 27B7. Nope, can wait. Right, where were we? Back here. So we started off there, and we'll do it from there to there. Right.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
You did most of the work. Oh dear, someone where's Nico? Stuart, he passed away, mate. He passed away in January. That's why we've got the up there. Yeah, passed away in January. So, yeah, unfortunately. He had, yeah, too many seizures in one go. Well, he's running around now, partying away, causing havoc for the man upstairs. I mean, he's down here. He's got his ashes down here, with a candle on it. So he knows where his home is. So, as you can tell, still, yeah. Better than the first stream back when I spent an hour and a half just blubbering on stream. Yeah. Anyway. So yeah. So yeah, he passed away. 11 seizures in 9 hours. He didn't recover. Right then. Right, memory block. So we think that's the memory block. We think. Yeah. So we'll change that to that. Oh yeah, you forgot. You need to take the pit. Yes, mate. And I was expecting it. I've been expecting it for a while. Yeah. Right, and we've still got it here as well. So memory block 9279E, and then we've got this +1. So let's just work his way through it. It's like, here we go. LD8 27A0, 27A1. Right, let's find where they are. 27A0, 27A. Oh, it's in there. It's in that block there, isn't it? That's those two. Yes. Oh, sorry. Oh, it's Derek. Is that you? Have you changed your Twitch name? You changed your Twitch name, mate. Right, I need to change your things then, because you've changed your Twitch name. Because you've got some sound effects, haven't you? No, that's all right, mate. That's all right. Ooh. Okay, what have I... Hang on.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
Don't show my key. No. No, mate. I'm not showing my key. No, not like somebody in chat. No. No, I'm not with that daft. Right. Did you have an intro? Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Right. Right, here we go. Right, let me just remove your intro. Let me just remove the intro. So we'll move. Delete intro at Derek_Morris. And the plank as well. Okay. Right, so add intro, and you were And so intro dash Derek Morris. Right, do you want to see if the intro works for you? No, FaiRLane, I fixed it. Right, so we'll do the plank as well. Right, so we'll get rid of the plank. And then we'll add the plank as your new user. Plank dash Derek Morris. There we go. Oh, Stuart, you can make your own intro, mate. Anything up to 5 seconds. You can do what you want. You can do what you want, and then send it me, and I'll add it to the bot, and then you can introduce yourself. You don't need one. Right, so plank. Right, let's do plank at Derek. Right, let's see if it does it.
John, what are you doing?
Right, so that's right. So your username is now mapped to the right sound effect, mate. There we go, sorted. Welcome to the stream, by the way, Derek. Welcome. Yeah, we was talking about Nico. Let's talk about Nico. Right, so we're looking for 27. What's an intro? It's where you introduce yourself in chat, mate. It's where you introduce yourself. Yeah, I've got my own look, right? I've got my own.
Well, 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 look who's joining the stream. Please put your hands together for the one and only, top bloke, the man himself, old school coder.
Notice it is not 5 seconds. I don't care. It's my bot. It's my bot. I'll do what It's my bot. Cheater. I wonder if Derek has a new book on the horizon. I think he's been working on the NES book. NES book? Are you still working on the NES book, mate? Oh, you mean that the dough one? Yeah, I've got to figure out how to put that one in. That could be your plank, mate. Have you got a plank? We could make that your plank, mate. You can make that your plank if you want. Hang on, let's make it your plank. Did I put it in there? No, I didn't, did I? It was in the repo. There it is. There we go. Right, let's change that to plank. GaryMeg. Right, let's add you the plank. There you go, mate. You should be able to do it now. Go on.
What are you doing? Don't!
Another live John panicking. But it wasn't me. I wasn't panicking because of me. Yeah, I'll sort the messages, Matt. I'll sort the messages out. Right, so so we've got these two for that memory area. So 27, right? 7A. 7C. Right, let's do this. Mem block 27A0, which is that. I'll do that. Do that. By the way, welcome, Kylo. Welcome. You should add a bot on your channel. I mean, mate, if you want my bot and mess around with it, by all means, you can do that, yeah? I don't mind. It was there for the masses. It was coded for the masses. So, yeah. I mean, it doesn't have some of the features that's in my bot, but it has the general ones. So it's got the intros now, and it's got the planks as well. So it's got the sound effects in there. Right. So is there any? Oh, we got some more here. 9.4. What on earth is 9? Why is that in there? This is another routine that I don't think gets used. 947C. There's no such thing as 947C. Where is the Vic? Where's the Vic? I'll let the crowd answer that one. While I'm looking for the Vic manual. Ebooks. Vic 20. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Not mastering. It's oh. It's mapping, isn't it? It's the mapping book. Where's the mapping book? Compute. It's got to be in compute, isn't it? There we go. Here we go. Got it. You found a couple of Twitch that play. Oh, right. Cool. You're working. Oh, the RGB. Yeah, I'm doing that for that. Going to be doing that for that up there. Oh, I'll have to look at those. Right. What's that number? 94. I don't think that's. Unless it's the colour. Is it the colour? Oh, it could be the colour. 947C. Oh, it's the colour. 947C is the colour. Let's do that. Oh, maybe not do it that way. Back to one page. There we go. Well, that's annoying. Here we go. 9.6. Yeah. So bit 3 is multicolour. So it's right. Okay. So that's the background colour. So 947C. What? 96D4. Why is that in there? Because 96 is the other memory for the unexpanded Vic. There we go. Why 96? Right. Let's put a comment in here. Oh, hang on. Wrong way round. Wrong way round. Makes me wonder what these are for. We'll have to see how many of these there are. There's only one. We'll figure out what the equivalent C64 colour value is for that. Right, so this is 0 page 10. Right. This needs sorting out because it's not the CIA chip that we're talking about. These are, I think that's voice 3, voice 4. So they need to be sorted out. But we're just sorting out memory at the moment. See, there's another memory block there. Another memory block that we need to identify. This is the RAM store. Oh. Oh, the Raspberry Pi won't be able to power them. You'll have to have a separate power supply for that. Definitely. We've got another one. Have we got another one there? Oh no, these are the ones I identified. Okay. Memory block. CC12. 2EOE. 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 3C20. Right, 3C20. Did we go up to 3? Oh yeah. That's here. Right. So we need to sort these out as well, because I don't think we have the 3Cs in there. Let's have a look. Have we gone further down? 2E. That's the RAM store. Right, so we're missing that. Are we missing that? Right. So we're definitely missing all that. The 3C stuff. I mean, it's got to be just something to do with the pursuits, the pursuers. Because it loads that there, doesn't it? So that's got to be some sort of game memory. So let's go back to here. Where are we? Oh, I can't remember where it was. Alright, okay mate. Hang on, let's get this done. Let's get this done. Let's get this done. Why have do I spell that wrong all the time? Okay, what's going on? Ooh. There we go. Do this. Right then. Let's get you added. There you go, mate. Knock yourself out. Nice. Oh, they're coming in thick and fast now. Ooh, okay. We'll have to convert that one. We'll have to convert that one. Hang on. Oh, I can't convert it, mate. Can you send me as an MP3? Andy, can you send it as an MP3, mate? I can't convert it. Oh, hang on. Let's. Have I got a conversion tool? Well, I wonder if VLC will do it.
Hey Siri.
Yeah. Right. Can I convert that? Convert. Okay. Convert to MP3. Will that convert?
Hey Siri.
Right. That may have done it. Right then. Andy, here we go. Right then, hit it.
Hey Siri, change the channel. Oh, I love this feature. I love this feature. Yeah, everybody's putting their intros in. Nice. Zero viewers. Oh, well, you could do, mate. You could do.
Right. This is the original. Right, we're back here. So we need to do something with these. We need to work out. Right, so these were originally 3712. So we need to work out where they are. See, again, we've got the RAM here. So we need to work out where these are. I mean, 64. So that's going to be what? 3 rows down, a bit across. 3 rows down and a bit across. So 3 rows down and a bit across. Well, it can't be on there, so it must be in the game. 1, 2, 3. Maybe it's something to do with this. The score. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. So these are all right, let's get rid of that. So these all need to be changed anyway. Oh, okay. Game over text. So that is somewhere near the bottom of the screen. Right. What? Right. 1035. 1035. So that's gonna be. $53, so that's 2 rows down. 22, 44. So that must be the high score. That must be the high score, or the score. $53. So that's, I think that's the score. So 22 would be here. So we're missing a line. So that's 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Yes, so that's the score. That's the score. So this must be the high score. Right, okay. Okay, right, let's get back to this. So this is score location. So this must be the high score memory location. Right, so that's got to be... That was player 2 score. Oh, is it? Oh, it is 2 player, isn't it? Oh, player 1, player 2. Okay. Just test it. Alright, I'll test it.
Stay forever.
Alright, so it is player 2. Okay, player 2. What do you want me to do with it, mate? Do you want me to substitute it? Do you want me to substitute it? It was only a test. Stay forever. Stay forever. Right, okay. So, player 1. So this must be the high score. It's got to be. But where did we have anything on here? (207B). I mean, there is a high score. Was there? Is there definitely a high score in there? Oh yeah, llama. Right. So there's definitely a high score. I'm just wondering, what's 55? That's 85 down, so that's going to be what, 4 rows down? 4 rows down, isn't it?
Dude, what are you doing? What are you doing? Don't!
Oh dear. Right. Oh dear. Oh dear. Right. Oh, come on. What's wrong with you? Hang on. Have I got it here? Why is it not showing up? Right, we'll stick it in. I'll rename it. So plonk it in. And there's yours. We'll get rid of that one. And we'll make that one. Alright, mate. There you go. Try it out. There you go, mate. Try it out. I still think this is the high score. I still think that's the high score screen location.
Dude, what are you doing? What are you doing? Don't!
Right, this is screen P2 location. And that's the high score. Right, so that's player 2. Right, that's the status screen, okay. Okay. Oops. Right, so we'll need to work out those points for the screen. Some data. Love some of these comments. Some data. Right, draw. Right, this is the title screen. That's flashing. Oh, it wasn't 3112. It was 3712, wasn't it? Yeah. Lots of no ops. And then the RAM store. Right, okay. Right, let's start working all this stuff out. So we've got the draw status screen, jump to the title options. Draw status screen. Right, the grid, I think this grid is wrong. Yeah. I think this grid is wrong, right? And I will put a breakpoint to demonstrate it, because I think it's doing one too many lines. Right, so let's get onto the screen. So that's the screen, yeah. So this is the edge of the screen here. Right, so here we go. So we're going to press fire, which is that one. Oh, there we go. Right. So we're going to start drawing the screen. So if I go Control F5 there, and we'll get into the right, the place where I think it's going to go wrong, which is somewhere here. Right, let's go and see. Right, so it draws the Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, it's here. Right, it's there. I think it's gonna do another one. Yeah. So watch this memory space up here, because I think that gets changed. There, look. So it's doing a line too many. See what I mean? It's doing a line too many. So we do that. Right, so let's just make sure that the other stuff is not doing too many lines as well. So this is now going to do the corners, I think. Here we go. So it's going to do the lines going down. Here we go. Right, does that do one more? Now let's just change that bottom row. Right, so that's not doing... Right, so we've got definitely got one too many lines going on. Then you find out it was intentional. Well, that's what I'm not too sure about. So what's causing this problem, yeah? It's the DEX, isn't it? It's this. It's the DEX. So where are we getting DX from? X, there are number of... So X is number of rows for the grid. Yeah? So I'm just wondering what it was set to on the original one. Well, that'll be this one, won't it? Go to definition. Here we go. Is this it? Yes, it is. So I've just got to find where X is started off. Eight. Was there really 8 on this? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there must have been a bug. This must have been a bug, because he's doing 8 on here. Memory. Yeah, look, he's written it. He's written it in there as well. He's written it there as well. Oh, hang on. This is... Yeah, that's right. Right, so that's the top of the screen. Oh. And then we couldn't get to the bottom. Yeah, he overwrites it. He overwrites it. How far does he go? Wow. He really... Yeah, he really goes way beyond. Way beyond. That's overwritten code. Because we start... Oh, we're importing TRAXX. Yeah, he's overwritten the character set. He's overwritten some of the character set. He's overwritten some of the character set. How did he not know he's overwritten some of the character set? Right. Let's go back. So we'll knock it down a
What a plank.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. That is not me, that is. That is not me. That is Jeff. So we should be able to knock this down a 7, right? So let's just make sure it still works with 7. Yep. Still works with 7. So this is working. So this is adding 3 full lines. Then he's doing the lines down. I think that's doing the lines down. How many times must I explain? Smelly sofa, man can't code. Yeah. It's interesting. It's interesting, let's just say that. Right, so draw grid. So let's see if we can work this out. So this is doing the outer loop. Then he's doing the corners. Oh, what's that? Oh, that's that comparison thing. That's that comparison thing. I mean, he stores it in a... Oh, yeah. Stores the thing and then goes and see if there's anything there. Instead of just testing for a space and putting it on. Is that just further down? Yeah, it's there. Instead of just testing for a space. Okay, I see what he's doing, but it's still not right. So he's converting the horizontals into a cross. But then for the T-junctions... Weird. Weird. That's all I can say is weird. I reckon he had some code here that was this. Yes, we are trying to finish off GaryMeg's reverse engineer of TRAXX. So yeah, trying to understand what it is. But this is the draw. So we've got. Is that looping ahead? Right, so that's in a loop. So this is looping back to that. So that's looping back to that. And that one's looping back to this one here. Oh, look at this with the double back. Yeah. Right, clear screen. So that's okay. Print screen. Okay. We have a data block. Have we got that in here? 217E. No. We'll have to see if there's something 217E. Sorry, 21E7. So that is space that is not being used. Let's try let's try 6. 8. Because knowing Jeff, he's always one more or one less. Alright. So, initialize the game. So we draw the grid. We know that's working. This... Yeah, that's okay. So, is this where we're having the problem to start with? Yes, it is. Right. How many of these do we have? I think we only found the one, didn't we? Yeah. Right. Have we got 3-7 anywhere? Just the one. Makes me wonder what this is for then. Right. Do we have 3700? No. I'm just wondering if it's this is the problem. That it won't go on. Right, let's put a breakpoint in there. Right, so how many breakpoints have I got? There's one there I don't want. I don't want that one because we're now putting the player on. And no, we're alright with that one. So we should just have the one breakpoint, which is this one. Right, let's see what that does. Right then, fire. So we heard the sound go on, even though we haven't set anything. Right then. So, load 19. So 19 is 3. So that's definitely the number of pursuers. And then we're setting that. Right, so where are we going then? 63AB. So loading 82, DB82. So that's the colour. So we're loading 5. So that's going to set... Right, that's going to set our 5 red spaces. There we go. That's our 5 red spaces. Then increase 2. So that makes it 06. 07. Load 2. Oh, sorry. 84. Yeah, that's right. 4227. 4228. Right. So that's the ship. That's the ship location. Right, 4229. Grid under the ship. So you've done that already. Okay. Right. We'll carry on. We don't need to worry about that because that's already done. So we already know what all this does. So it puts the ship on. Now. Okay. Now we're doing this copy across. Now we're doing this copy across. Right. So I'm going to put a breakpoint there. So that's just copied everything into 7. 7.5. Yep. Except we are... Oh no, it's done it. No, it's done it. Right. So, load 26, store 26. Load 1, store it in 29. Load 7D00. That's there. Store 3. Store it in 10. 0, 0. Right, what are those two? What are those two? 7D. That's got to be something... find... let's do it this way. That's the one, isn't it? So we jumped player. So we're coming out of that because it does an RTS which comes out of that. So we're now in this. There we go. Here we go. So we don't even know what D0 and D1s are. We don't even know. We've put them there. Okay. So so we don't know what this means. Okay. Load 29, which was 01. So that's 03. All right, FaiRLane. See you on Wednesday, mate. If you're around. 10:29. I have got a sneaky suspicion that's another screen location. I definitely think that's another screen location. Y is 0. We are 1. 75 into 2B. So what was 29? All right, okay. LDX4. Y0. So we're loading. What's in 2A? D801. That's colour, isn't it? So what's in 27? Oh no, hang on. Yeah, 7500. And then we're going to store it there into 27. So that's 20. That's 27, 28. So, oh right, okay. So we're taking it and then we're storing it back. Okay. 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 Right. So this function here is taking what we've just stored in that array, that 75 array, and putting it back in colour RAM. All right, Gary. We'll see you later, yeah? So we'll speed through that, because that's just copied the back into colour RAM. So if I go to D800, there you go. So that's just done all that. It's just copied it all back in. Right, so load 5, 35, 5. Store the 35 in 1A. Load 2, that's not 2. Store Y in B. Reposition. LDX22D. Load 4260. Store it in 4369. What's that doing? Oh, stop. Four, 2, 6, 0. Okay. And it's putting it in 4396. That's there. Hey, hello. I don't think that's right. Where's that reposition? Reposition. I need that 4. There we go. Right, load, start, pursue, position. Okay. Load. Load. That's what we're looking for. This. Right. That. I think is meant to be that. Right, I think that's meant to be that. Because if we now work his way through that, that's going to load from 2. That's going to load not the colour. It's loaded a space. And I think that's part of the problem why it wasn't starting. Right. Let's put a breakpoint there, and we'll get rid of the other breakpoint. To see if we're getting close. Oh, I thought I got rid of that breakpoint. Okay. Right. So we've definitely got our 3 pursuers now. Why is that breakpoint not turned up? Did I remove the breakpoint I've just added? Like, ugh. Like a complete and utter twonk. Ugh. Yeah, go on, you can do it. That was definitely one of those.
Ah! What a plank.
Yeah, it was definitely one of those. Right. Fire. Here we go. So. Right, we'll let it run through that. Keep going, keep going, keep... Here we go. Right, 5. So that, I think that's the player thing. Right, so it's adding now D4. So we're loading O2, which is still a space. $84. That's wrong. That's wrong. Right. So we load 9, store it in 1F. So right, we load 4392, which is F7. Store that in 3. Then we load 4393, which is 04. D8, store it in 3. That is wrong on so many levels. Now I've got to find where it is on this. Right, let's see if we've got any sort of Right, so we're looking at... Where's the breakpoint? Where's the breakpoint? Right, so I'm looking for that. So where have we got... Oh, yeah, right. 2EOE, right. Let's look for that. 2EOE. Oh, it's there, look. So let's back up. Yeah, look. 1 and 2. Oh, Gary. Right, let's go back to this. So the problem is that's loading into 0 page 02. And it shouldn't be. That should be 0 page 01. But it can't be 01. Oh, he can be. He's remapped it. Right, 0 page 01. Right, let's try that. Let's try that. Hello! Boo to you! You been LDing it? You been LDing it? Have you got... Because she was on day 14? 13? You broke your skelly farm. Do you need it fixing? Do you need it fixing? No, I'm not. I mean, after the stream, do you want me to log on and fix it? Right, that's going into 2. It's going into 3. Oh, 7. Here we go. Here we go. We're getting the right numbers. I can do it. What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it? I can fix it. Is it the sorter or the actual skelly farm? Three, 2, 1. Okay. Okay. Right. Now, we are doing the right thing now. Load 19, which is 3, times it by 2, store it in 21. Load 20. Subtract 21. Store it in 21. What is that doing? Load A3. Right, that's right. Store it in FD. 3. DY. What is that? What is that doing? Is he multiplying, isn't he? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, he's multiplying by 5. FF into 2. 04 into 3. Load 5B. Right. So this is putting the bad guys on the screen. So he's doing this is multiplying by 5. Oh really? 2F5 2F5. This is it. It's around here. Here it is. Oh no, that's not the right one, is it? 2F5, hang on. 2F52. Right, let's look for that. 2F52. That's it. Yeah, here we go. It's here. So this is doing a multiply by 5. Yeah. So this is a multiply by 5. I mean, I don't understand why he isn't using A anyway. You know, and then transfer it into X. Oh dear. Oh dear. Yeah. So that gives us an indication of how this is structured. Here we go, the pursuer. So position, direction, question mark. Gary, oh classmate, class. Right, okay, so pursuer position, right? In-game direction, location, right? So this is color. Right, let's get this done. Let's get this right. So that's color and that's map. Color under and map under. Right. So let's help Gary out here now. So let's do this. Right. So we know. Right. So that. In fact, we'll do it the other way around, yeah? We'll do it the other way around. Because that's going to get really, really messy. So, let's start with this one, yeah? So that one. That. So that's character under pursuer, yeah? This one This is the colour under Pursuer. Right, so that means, so this one, so we'll put the arrow there, and we'll put an arrow there, and an arrow there, right? So one there, oops, wrong one, one there, one there, one there. One there, whoops, one there. Oh, have I spelt it wrong? See, even you can't spell it. Pursuer, is that how you spell it, or Pursuer? Okay, there we go. Right, so this is the direction of the pursuer. Right. Right, so this one is the high byte screen location, and then this one is the low byte screen location. So these must be, these are all defaults. They've got to be. These are all defaults. They've got to be. Because surely they would get overwritten. So this is definitely the pursuer data block. Right, so we'll take that out. So I would suggest that but these are not, they're not in the right space. They're not in the right space. I think they're still, in the Vic mode. I think they're still in the Vic mode. So we need to work out no, he seems to be all right. So it looks like he's worked that out. 0496. Right, so that's that one, yeah? Right, let's find out if that's in the right place. So go to 0496. Which it's not. That's a 20. So we've put the... Alright, let's figure out where we're going. 2 and 3. Right, 2 and 3. D8FF. Rats. Alright then, let's run through this again. So we're doing that. So X is A. So we'll load FB, then 04. Right, 4392 and 4393. 04. Right, so 04 FB. Where's that then? Oh, it must have set it up. We must have set it up. Are you wanting to go out, buddy? Okay. Really? You want to go out? Alright then. Alright, let me just get this. Let me just. What do you want? You want to go out? Alright, let me start the game for you. And I'll take him out. Alright? Knock yourself out, guys. I'll see you in a minute. Right. So we need to look at this memory block. 4392 and 4393. We need to just look at that memory block before when it loads up. So I'll put a breakpoint at the start so we can see what it's doing. Because I want to check the memory on it. I want to see if it changes. Right, so let's go to 4390. Right, so this is the memory block here, right? So as you can see the data there, look. You can see the data there. So we're going to try. So if I do F11, does it change? No, it doesn't. Okay, so we're going to load 4260. All right, that's where it changes it. That's where it changes it. 4260. 4260. That's where's that? Where is that? That's got to be at the break point, isn't it? Ah, there we go. Default position. But is it? That doesn't look right. No, it is. No, it is.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
SP! Oh! You're giving Tash and... Oh! You softy. Softy. Here we go. Here we go. This is where he's... Right, he has converted it. He has converted it, look. So he has converted it. Right, okay, so he's done it. He's done it. Right, so where is it? Where is it? Right, we'll grab this. because it's still relevant here. So if I do that, does that work again? Nope, not interested. Right, that's still relevant there as well. So this is the working area. Right, so let's start doing this. So pursuer memory pursuer array. There we go. That's what we'll call it. Pursuer array. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that means there's only going to be 10 pursuers, maybe 11, because I wonder if that's one as well. There. Where's the defaults? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Maybe there's only 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's definitely 10 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so he's got enough for 10, but he's only defaulted 8. Right. Okay. So we know what's happening there. Right then, so we're going to be putting our first. First, we're working out our multiplying by 5. Right, where's that? Oh, where's that putting that? 0495. Oh, that's down here, isn't it? Oh, so we're loading it. So we're loading them, and then we're reading the colour. Yeah. So he's defaulting the colour. Right. Okay. How many more of these? Oh, that's gone off a 10. Oh, now we're doing the multiplying, aren't we? Okay. Right, here we go. So this should now start. This should now be putting them on properly. So we're loading we're loading the direction. So 43CA, what's that? Loading the direction, 43CA. 43CA, gotta. We're back at that multiplying, aren't we? Can you remember where it was? Was it here? F4. Aha! Oh, it's the pursuer placement. Pursuer placement start. Okay, let's go there. Pursuer placement start. There we go. So that's this here, 38. 2300 plus 38. That's these, surely. No, it's these here. Them. 5B, 5C, D, E, and F. Right, this is the character. I think that's the pursuer direction character. Alright, Stuart. Nice to see you back on the streams, mate. And I'll see you on Wednesday, yeah? Take care. Oh, dude, you got to stream. Got to stream. But yeah, sort yourself out first before you do, yeah? But it's nice to see you back here, mate. It's nice to see you back. So I'll see you on Wednesday, yeah? Right, so this, right, we can call this something, yeah? So if that's the pursuer array, then we should call this pursuer characters, direction chars. Because I think that's what it is. I think that's what this is. So if we just run that out and then do LDA that comma X, I think that is what it's doing. So if we go back to that, so it's loaded. Right, so we've got 0, yeah? So that's the direction of 0. Put that into X and then we load 5B. So if we look at the, where's the character set? There, 5B. Right, so let's find 5B. And I bet you that's one of the directions. Oh, hang on. Was it 5B? Yeah, 5B. That's that. Maybe this character set's not in the right place. 5B. Because according to that, 5B is the square bracket. Alright, we'll see what it puts on the screen. So store, we get that. So our character set is out. Our char set is out. So we're looking for that little buggy thing type thing. Right, let's see if we can find it. Let's see if we can find it. So there's our directions. That's the grid. There it is, 9B.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
Hello. Hey man, I'm doing research, and you as an old school is that a disguise for saying I'm a dinosaur? Might help with your opinion. Name 3 essential technical knowledge that absolutely every programmer, from web developers to device drive developers, should know. Three essential techniques. Well, first, Boolean logic. That is essential. Learning Boolean logic is essential. If you don't learn Boolean logic, you're a dino yourself. Yeah. Boolean logic, because if you don't know how to do ands, ors, xors, or anything like that, you'll never be able to code anything. So that's a given. Is Boolean logic taught to people? Well, let's just say, when I was taking my science degree in computer science, year 1 was all about Boolean logic, Boolean algebra, you know, all that. It was nailed into you, you know, base 2, base 16, base 8. It was nailed into you in year 1 of the degree. So I would say that's 1. Technical knowledge. For any programmer. It's a good question. What do I insist when I interview people? That is good. That is. I suppose the next one would be not to overthink, because developers tend to overthink. Yes, SP's just hit it on the head. KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. Don't overthink. Because sometimes you can overthink and then you can make it inefficient. But that's not. Is that technical knowledge, or is that just common sense? It's a. I suppose it could be a technical. It's got to be technical knowledge. Oh, I don't know, because it's not really technical, is it? But I mean, if we go technical essentials, right? So Boolean algebra, Boolean logic, yeah. So you've got to have a really good understanding of Boolean algebra and Boolean logic. If you don't, you won't be able to make any sort of if statement, yeah. Right. So if you don't understand Boolean algebra and Boolean logic, there's no chance you'll be able to work out complex if statements. Yeah. I think the other technical essential would be source control. Being able to do version control of your source code. That is an essential. That's one of the, if you don't understand or don't know Git when you come to an interview and you cannot demonstrate it, you're out the door. I don't want to know you if you're not adverse to source control. What was that? What did Andy put? The most important thing a programmer needs is to spell colour. Don't want influence, but having minimum assembly understanding. That right, minimum assembly understanding is not a technical necessity for any programmer, right? That's not really a necessity, yeah? Assembly is for those programmers that want to talk to the CPU direct. But, if for a coder, you don't really need to have an understanding of assembly, yeah? So, I would say that would not be on my 3 technical list. Boolean algebra, source control. You can't say programming language because there's too many of them, yeah? And when you're interviewing, you would be interviewing for a specific language. And you would must like pizza for long nights of debugging. And number 3. What would I be expecting technically from a person? Data types. It's amazing how many people don't understand data types. What? Oh. Right. Okay. If you don't mind, I would like to change the question a bit. Is there a low-level knowledge that every programmer should have? No. Because most programming languages are medium to high level, yeah? So you wouldn't expect programmers to know low-level language stuff. But, data types and structures and all that is, I think, essential as well. Because if you don't understand data structures, you can get yourself in a bit of a mess. But understanding low-level chip architecture. The only low-level stuff, like I said, would be Boolean algebra and Boolean logic. That's as low as I would say. You know, how do ands and ors and nots and all that all work, especially when you're writing if statements. But I wouldn't expect, if somebody came to me for an interview, I wouldn't assume that they would have low-level understanding of any programming languages. Yeah. Yeah, my website's down, right, and my webmaster's just gone to bed. I'll ping Stuart in the morning and see what's going on. But you're right, it's not on. You're right, mate. I'll get Stuart to look at that in the morning. You're welcome. You're welcome. I mean, I'm only answering them based on if I was to employ somebody, what I would expect their technical abilities would be. And you're right there, Andy. You are definitely right. You are definitely right. Because most programmers now don't know really optimizations. You know, most high-level languages, you can't really do any optimizations, really. Right, where were we? Oh yeah, character... generic character locations, right. Hope that was alright, mate.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Oh, thank you, Kylo Dos, for the gift sub. Their definition of optimization is get a faster CPU. Oh dear. Yeah. I mean, even professionally, I mean, when you try and do some sort of optimization, they tend to frown on it because they want you to code it as quickly as possible and get it out. Doesn't matter if it's fast or not. I mean, the only real optimizations I do is in SQL statements to make sure the SQL statements run as fast as possible. Right, so that's definitely... Oh, here we go. Doing the 5... That's definitely... That's definitely doing the placements. So we're getting the placements right. Now, I noticed that we're getting some runaway characters somewhere. So let's see if we can find where they're coming from. That is right, an origin. But the problem is, when the business is saying this has got to be done, and they give you a time frame that's really so unrealistic, there is no time to do any optimizations like that. What's that doing? 9. Oh, why is this jumping all over the place? Yeah, because, so, I mean, short time frames are really frustrating. Short time frames just really frustrating. But it's that's how it is. I mean, I would love to have loads of time to get the guys to optimize their code so it runs quicker, but it's basically almost impossible. Why is that loading one twice? Right, here we go. Now we're storing in DC00, which is not good. Right, I reckon that 1B is going to be a screen location. So 1B is there. So let's see if that's going to get used. Oh, there's a lot of no-ops here. Decrement OF. Decrement. Oh, really? What on earth is that doing? That is just bouncing around. So this has got to be the game loop. This has got to be the game loop. This is what I was looking for, this. That's what I was looking for. Yeah, that's not going to load the file up now. Because that's these here. Those artifacts, they've got to be something to do with the pursuer. But we're not moving. And we're not moving on there. I did say joystick, didn't I? Oh, hang on. Number of pursuers 3, speed 1, number of players. Right, okay. So there's no joystick command. Right. Got to find out where those characters are coming from. Ugh. That's gonna be annoying trying to find that. It's gonna be really annoying trying to find that. Right, let's see if we can. Night night, Mrs. Ice K. I'll chat to you tomorrow. Right. Okay, so we need to find where. So this looks like it's the game loop. This looks like it's the game loop. So where's that? Oh, let's go to that. So this is doing. Right, so we know that this is the memory block for the pursuers. So let's see if we can find. Let's see if we can find. Where it's going to be acting on it. So we're looking for direction, aren't we? Oh, which is it's going to be 2, isn't it? Memory block plus 2. Okay, so it's got to be one of these somewhere. There's a lot of them. Ah, here we go. Memory block +2. Here we go. Right, okay, so that's placing the character. Right. Okay, so let's see if that memory block +2 turns up again. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Right. God, where is this going? So that's going 3, 3, 2, 1. Oh, right. Okay. Right, let's see if we can work out. See if we can work right. So that's if 0 is if 0 is 5, right? So 0 is going up. Right. 1 is going. 1 is going right. 2. That means that's going down. So 3 is going left. I would expect. And it looks like then we repeat the characters. Yeah, it looks like the bad guys have got 2 characters against them, right? So load memory block 2. So this is going up. So if it's equal to 2, then we are coming down here. Right, 2 is down. 1 is going right. And that means what's left is going left. Right, so memory block +0. So that's definitely going right. So that's definitely going right. And this one, right, so that's, okay, so let's just do a bit of separation here. Like so. Then that must be moving further down. Where's that going? Is that going up or down? Oh, that's going there. That's going here. Right, okay, so if this is... Right, that's going right. So that... So plus is this one, isn't it? So this one must be going left. Where's that routine? Oh, it's down here, isn't it? There. Oh, right, okay. Right, so this is to go left. But we're loading Y with 1, D-E-Y, yeah. So that's doing left. God knows what that is for. Well, this is not quite a Commodore 64 game. This is a VIC-20 game that we're trying to convert as well. So we don't make it easy for ourselves. We definitely don't make it easy for ourselves. Right. So that's going... So that's that one. So this is the next one. Plus loop 3. Loop 3. So 1, 2, 3. That's here. So, 250, that's this. Oh, you are joking me. Oh. Jeff, what were you thinking?
Ah! What a plank.
Oh, Jeff, what are you thinking? No, it's not that, mate, right? This, right? So 0 is going up, yeah? So he's testing for 2 and he's skipping to here, yeah? So this is going up. So he's calling this function, which is here. Yeah? So if I do this, like that. So we're going up. What is he doing? Right? What is he doing? He's running through this loop 19 times. So he's decreasing 1. Decrease 1, decrease 1. So he's performing the going left 19 times to make it go up a row. Oh. So, in terms of the Commodore 64, this is not 19, right? Because 19 in hex, right, is 22? $25. Oh yeah, it was... No. How many rows? How many columns was it, Vic? It was 22, wasn't it? Except for intro, but listen works. Okay. I thought it was 22. So why has it got 25? There's got to be some weird, wacky thing going on here. Oh, what now, mate? No. Are you all right? Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, is that what your problem was it? You've just let off another one, haven't you? Say hello to your adoring public, yeah? And you've just really... Oh, that's a... God, dude, that don't half stink. Hey. Come on. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Say, look up here. Look. Say hello. He did. Didn't you? When I picked you up, you let one go. Didn't you? Gosh, you stink, mate. It's those fishes, isn't it? Eh? And you've got a twitch. Hey? Hey, it's alright. You've got a twitch, haven't you? Using Aston excuse. You've got a twitch, haven't you? Hey? Alright, do you want something? Do you want a treat? Alright, let me put you down. Whoa, you got your foot stuck. There you go. You want a treat? Alright then. Getting a treat for stinking out of room, yeah. But he's owed these treats.
Oh my God, more bits?
Here we go.
Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
You want it over there? There you go. It's over there. You'll smell it. You'll smell it. It's over there. It's over there, look. You see it? Keep going. Keep going. Over there. He can smell it. Can't see it though. There we go. He's got it. He's found it. Right. So back to the amazement of running through this. It's so ridiculous. Right. Alright, Kylodos, nice for you to join. I'll see you next time, yeah? Right. So that is for a Vic 20. So we need... So if 19 is 25, if 19 is 25, and for a 20, does he change the columns? That's a really good question. Right. Does he change the columns? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Yes, he's changed the number of columns. Right. He's changed the number of columns. So, for 64, we want 28, which is 40. Yeah, but we want to drop one. No, we don't. 28. Right. So that should do it. I have no idea why it's an expanded Vic game, so memory, this will get changed. This will get changed. Right, so that is the reason why it's not going up. Yeah, it's Jeff. Yeah, that's the reason why it's not going up, because we're adding, or I should say subtracting, the wrong numbers, right? So if we do skip, well, Gary got this one right. Gary got this one right. He's found it, he worked it out, and he did it right. This threw him. This threw him. Right, so... What? What? Don't tell me you want to go out, mate. You've just been out. You're licking your lips. Now you've got two of these stored up. Alright. There you go. There's one. There's another. I don't like holding them, so I'm not holding them for you. You can sniff them out. There you go. Right, let's see if we get anything moving. Oh, my hands smell. Right. Look. Gone in the right place now. Well, that's gone up there, look. So it's gone up. But it's thrown a bit of a fit. So what would be the problem now? Fortunately, you cannot smell, yeah. Right. So, let's do that again. F6. Right, I'm going to slow this down. There we go. So I'm going to slow this down. I'm going to press fire. There we go. So it definitely goes up. But then we've got this problem here. So now I am wondering if the replacement is wrong. Okay. So everything comes to here. Right. Where's the original routine gone? That was a bit further up, wasn't it? It was around here. This is where it was. So let's put a breakpoint there. That's where it was. So I want to see it run through it. So I don't want to take that one out. He coded it, he used magic numbers, yeah. Yeah. Right, I don't want that. Right. Right, let's see what's going on. So it should break when it tries to move them, yeah? It should break when it tries to move it. They're not on yet. Right, let's do that again. Right, so the first time through, it's first time through. I think I've moved the breakpoint again. Yeah, I've took the breakpoint out wrong again. Where are we? Where are we? I'll find it. I'll find it. I'll find it.
Ah! What a plank.
Sent you some Discord messages about the bot. A lot of messages. Have you? Oh my. Oh my. Yes, there is a few in there. Okay. Oh, where's that? I'm looking for my thingy. Rem state. Ah, here we go. Here we go. It's this. This is where I want the breakpoint. There. Right, go. Right then. So, we load the direction. Oh. Same problem. Oh, really? Are you wanting to go out again? Right, guys, I'm going to just send him out. Hang on. I'll start the game. Won't be a sec. We've got this. Right, one problem I have noticed. Got the same problem again here. Right, because that's meant to be 2. So that's another. That was another issue. That's probably why it wasn't putting it on the screen properly. Right. Let's see if we get it moving in the right direction now. Right. Load the low and high. Right, load 2, 5B. And it with 4. 0. Branch if not equal. Load 50. Store it. So that's... Oh, there we go. It's wiped it out now. Right. We're on a winner now. Ah! Look, another problem there. Another problem there. It stores twice as well. It doesn't seem to use... Yeah. Right, so... Yeah, I don't know why it does that. Right, first things first, colour offset. Right, let's do that again. Right, so, doink. Right, so we're running through the first one. So it stores 0 in 4. Right, loads 4 and stores it in 4. Then we load what's underneath, store it, which puts it back. Then we load 3. Then we load 3. Add D4, store it. Load the colour, which was 7, store that. Here we go. We're starting to cook now. We're starting to cook. So load 4. Which is the direction, is 0. Compare it with 0, yes. Then we jump to here. It's not to 2. Loads of no ops, and this is where we do. This is where we do the loop, and I'm not going to run through the loop. I'm not going to run right. So F11, back. No, load more no ops. So where are we jumping to now? Right. Right, so we're loading the location again. So now we've got a new location. We're loading... Right, we're loading what's on the grid. Is it 50? Yes, it is. Right, so we go into zip to there. Load 50. Store it in what's underneath. Transfer X into A. Push it away. Load the direction. The direction. Add what's in 4. Is now 4. Transfer A into X again. F. Oh, right, okay. Okay. Oh, done it again, look, here. Done it again. So we're looking for 247A. Looking for 247A. 47A. Right, so we've done it again here. Right, let me... Wonder if there's any more like that. Yes, there's one there, look. And there. Oh, and there. That was a few, isn't there? Oh, good job we're looking at them now. Gary, do you not check this? Oh well, never mind. That's right. Right, okay. Let's just see if it runs, alright? Let's just see if it runs. Well, they went up. They went up, but then they just stayed there. Right, so we know that this is all going to work. Now I'm going to put a breakpoint there and run through that. So this should now start putting on. So load the direction, add what's in 4, store it, yeah. Load the color, store it. Oh! Load what was in 20. Okay. Decrease. Load times it by 2, times by 4. Add it to FD. So X is now, oh right. See, it does look, it just did a multiplier, 5 times multiply just then. Did you see that? Why? He's actually coded a 5 times multiplier already in there. Oh! Right, so this should take off the other one. Right, F11. And then put it back on again. So put sit. Yeah. Right, here we go. Here's the 5 times multiplier. Right. Here's the 5 times multiplier. Right, let's find that. 5, 2, 2, 5, 2, 3. 2, 5, 2, 3. Here's the 5 time multiplier. Absolutely bonkers. 2 different ways of doing it, and he could have used the one method to do it. Well, we'll sort that out. Right, so this is doing 4. That's the 5. Yeah, so that's 5. So that's the last one, yeah. So the last one's disappeared. Now we're doing the go up. Now we're putting it back on. Here we go. So we're putting it back on. There we go. So come out. Jump to the very next line. Oh, brilliant. Right, 84 dB. It seems legit. Right, so this is a color reference. So we're loading 2 from dB 84. So we're loading A, then we're loading X, which is 1, 42 3A. Right, so X is 1, so that's going to be testing for 4C. So that's definitely not equal to. So we're jumping out. Then we're loading 18, which is 0. It's not that. Branch if not equal. Load 18. Yes, it is equal. Right, that's setting the sound, and we jump straight out. Now we're setting the CIA chip. Now we're doing a delay. Are we going back? Yes, we are. Right, let's take that out and put it there. So that's doing on a delay. Load 84 dB. Right, this is loading the volume, and that's a problem. Yeah, that's a problem because it's registered at 0. You can't read the volume. Right, where's that? Here. So if this is, yeah, this is reliant on the volume. This is reliant on the volume. Player position +9. Yeah. Hang on, we'll load the volume. We load the volume, and it with 3, and then transfer it into X. What the fridge? What the fridge? So if the volume's 15, so 9 plus 15. And store it in 0 page 1. Decrease the speed. I have no idea. I mean, he's decreasing the SID volume, which is can't be done, and then it goes back round. That's the reason the game's stopping. That's the reason the game's stopping. Because it's just going round and round in circles. I bet you that's just going to go round and round in circles. So load 4B, store it, decrease, go back. Yeah, that's where it's just cycling there. Decrease 1F. Where's 1F? That's there. Right. So we'll see what happens when it gets to 0. Here we go. C6, 2, 1. Right, 0. We're on 0. So we decrease in C418. And that is the volume. That is the volume. Branch if not equal, which it won't be set. And so it goes back round again. Yeah. What's there it is. That's the one. Where's the volume? Volume here. Yeah, it's at F look. It didn't decrease it. Didn't decrease it. Have we got one with the SID chip actually on the view and the code? No. Right, let's just run through it until we get here. Right. So I want to put a breakpoint there. Right. F11. Right. So this is on the SID chip. Yeah. So it's set to F at the bottom. It's F at the bottom. If you look at the bottom of the screen, it says F. If I decrease it, it's still F look. So if I go back, I've moved. Yeah, it's always F. It's never going to be 0. It's never going to be 0, and that's why the game stops. How does the sound work on the VIC? Right, the difference between the VIC-20 and the C64 is when you write to the VIC chip on the VIC-20, you can read the values. The SID chip, If you remember when I did the extended basic series, when we tried to write, when we wrote to the SID chip, right? When we tried to read back, we couldn't read it back because it's non-readable. It's just a writable register. So you can't do decrement because that implies reading the registry, reading the register, decrement it by 1, sending it back. It won't do it. So you can't read from the SID chip. And that's the problem. And that's why the game isn't progressing. Does it? I didn't think it did. No, that's not it. I don't think you can read it. Because I think it's only writable only. Except for the paddles, of course. Yeah, it's only write only, not readable. I mean, it says that it's mirrored here. So but I don't think you'd be able to read it. Well, let's have a look. D5. Let's run it. Let's run. See if we can run Vic up. So 54296. 54296. Yeah, can't read it, look. So even though we poked it, we can't peek it. Right. So you're saying we should be able to... So have a look. Let's see. So D518. Right, let's try that one, shall we? So if it is 54552. So can we read that? Right, that's 0. So if I poke in the normal one with 11, still only. You can't read it. Can't read it. Yeah, so can't read it. And that's the problem. That's the problem with this game now. Now with the Vic, if I fired up the Vic, right? Now the Vic, its register. So if we go to the Vic one, and we look at for the Vic registers. Where's the Vic registers? Ooh. Where did I put them? All right, okay. I've got to find it. I've got the Vic book out here, haven't I? Yeah. Right, I think it's VIA here. Colour there. Oh no, that's the colour. There we go. 36878. So if I do print peak 36878, that gives us 0 because there's nothing there. Right, so poke 36878, comma 11. Right. So you can read it. In the Vic, you could read the Vic registered for the sound, but in the C64 we can't. So if I change this to say 13, and that's the problem. We're relying on the sound. We're relying on the volume control that's driving the game. That's effectively driving the game, but we can't read the SID chip. Yeah, it's not worth it. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to create a memory location where we're going to store the value of the sound, the volume, and then use that to poke to the SID. But we use the memory location to drive the game. Yeah. So that's what we're going to have to do in the next stream, is to sort out this stuff that Jeff has done using that. I mean, don't get me wrong. He's done what the Vic allowed him to do, but in the C64, it's not going to do it. So I am just going to copy the Vic mapping guide into this project so I don't have to look for it next time around. Where are we? Oh, there. Where is he? There. OSK, and I'll paste it in there. Right, so we can use that later. Right then, guys, I am going to leave it there. Yeah, so that's the first thing we've got to do on the next iteration of this, is how we're going to reflect that sound control mechanism in memory so we can get the game to drive forward. But it looks like we've got it to move. We've got it moving. Yeah. Right. Oh, that's the Vic. I want that one. So it looks like we've got the bad guys, the pursuers, to move, yeah, because they've moved up one. They've actually moved up one, but we've got to get the game loop timing circuit, which is being used on the volume control. All right. So I will see you guys on Wednesday with tanks, and I'll see you then. Alright? Take care, guys. Bye for now. I'd like to thank all the Patreons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.